Money Academy.
The majority of us have likely used Google at some point in our lives, but I don't think that many of us are aware that we can use Google to earn a substantial amount of money online. Yes, you heard that right. Many people use Google for random searches for which they receive no money, but a small number of people are taking advantage of this Google trick right now and are making good amounts of money online, and you can use this method on your phone. You can use it on your laptop or computer, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. In this video, I'll reveal the secret by walking you through everything step by step for free, and by using this approach, you can earn a lot of money online just about anywhere in the world for free. This is an incredibly simple method that you're going to enjoy. But before we get started with the video, welcome to Easy Money Tactics, where we demonstrate the most straightforward approach to earning money online. If you found value in this video, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell turned on, so you will always be notified when I upload a new money-making method. You can be the first to use it and make the most money, and with that being said and done, we will start the tutorial. Okay, now I will explain you each and every step, and I want you to follow along with me. So right after this video ends, you will be ready to go out there and earn some real money, so just pay close attention and follow the steps. And keep in mind that this is going to be a really easy tutorial, since we will be using only like 3 websites, and the first one is just going to be google.com, and I'm going to show you the second and third one in a minute. This is the website that we'll be using. If we combine it with Google and another website that nobody is taking advantage of, it will blow your mind how much money you can make online, but you must keep watching, because if you just go over straight to MindSumo and you try to figure it out on your own, you will not know what to do, because the sign-up process has gone through some changes. And also, I'm going to show you the website that makes everything possible at the end. So be sure to watch the video to the end. I can assure you that this is a legitimate website, because it has worked with some of the most well-known names in the industry, including Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, Spotify, Microsoft, and much more. Now pay attention, because I'm about to show you exactly how much money you could make with this website just by looking at this list right here. There are so many opportunities to earn thousands of dollars. If we keep scrolling down, as you can see, there are endless opportunities where you can use this trick and make thousands of dollars over and over again. Taking a look at how much money is there to be made, like one simple search can be $800, $1,600, $1,600 again, $1,000, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of money to be made here. All you need is a simple Google tool and a website, which I show you at the end, so stay tuned for instructions on how to create a free account. Now you will just need to sign up to mindsumo.com, and how do you do that? On the homepage of this website, I want you to click on this button over here, I'm a problem solver, and now I want you to click on this button over here, log in or sign up. Click on this, and a pop-up window will appear where you can sign up for a free account. Click on I don't have an account yet, and then enter your first name, last name, location, email address, and password. Then choose your birth date and your gender. Now for the following skill categories. I strongly advise you to select above average on these 3 skills. For the next part, just answer why are you interested in using MindSumo. Here you can put things like I'm a good problem solver and want to have my voice on new products and technology, or something like this. Now for the next question, just type the industries you're interested in. And for the reference name and reference email address, you can put someone who can approve that you're a problem solver. If you don't know someone to approve you, you can use another email address that you have. And finally, make sure you read the terms and conditions and privacy policy and certify that you don't use a plagiarized content, and click on I'm not a robot, and then click on the sign up button. Once you're done, you can log into your account, and right away, you can see that there are a ton of different projects and challenges that you can join. And through those, you can make a lot of money online. You can see here the many different categories that they offer. Here you see computer science, food science, business, and even engineering, and much more. So there is definitely going to be no shortage of money to be made on this website, since there are new questions and new projects and new challenges coming in every single day. Now choose the category you're interested in. I'm interested in the computer science category, so I select that one. Once you choose the preferred category, the website will filter out the content and show you all the projects and challenges related to that specific category. These projects and challenges will pay you the most money. For example, this project right here will pay you this much money, and all you have to do is go ahead and click on that link, and you'll be taken to a page where they'll ask you a question, and you can simply write an answer, submit it, and you'll be paid for doing so. If you don't know the answer to the question or have difficulty providing winning-worthy answers, don't worry, I will show a simple but effective method that will help you answer the question and make a sufficient amount of money online. We can see that there are a lot of submissions and that people are getting paid for submitting an answer on this website, and you can do the same thing. To find the answer, go to MindSumo, copy the question, and then go to google.com, paste the keyword, and search it. Now Google will help us find the answer to the question. Here you should spend a bit more time to find the comprehensive answers. It will increase the chance of you being one of the winners. Once you find the answers, don't submit them to MindSumo right away. Copy the content you found from searching on Google. Go to this website, quillbot.com, and paste your answers which you got from searching. Then this app changes them to a completely unique content that nobody claims you haven't written. You can also try the different modes they offer, which gives you more flexibility over your content. You also increase and decrease the number of synonym words. Before submitting the answers to MindSumo, you need one more tool. Go to Google and search for Google Docs and click on the first result. It will then take you to this page where you can start a blank document and start typing your answers or paste the content that we find from the search on Google and change it to our own unique using the Quillbot tool. The key point here is to copy the question from MindSumo and change the title of the Google Doc to MindSumo Challenge and paste the question. Now adjust the content title and proofread the rest of the text. Once you've finished your answer, go ahead and click on the file, then download. Select PDF document as your download type. Click on this link to get it downloaded to your computer. Once that is complete, we can see how professional everything looks and how well suited it is to be submitted to the MindSumo Challenge. That is all there is to it. This is how you can begin earning money online by utilizing this new Google trick for MindSumo.com. Keep in mind that there are a variety of different challenges and projects that you can join. As you saw, it was really easy, and it took me like less than 5 minutes to find the answer on Google just by searching. I found the answer in less than 5 minutes, and now I have a chance to win anywhere from like $20, $30, $50, or maybe even $100 or $200 for absolutely free. That's it for this video. If you liked it and decide to try it out, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who might be interested in using this to make money from home as well. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you want more videos with different strategy to make money, then be sure to click on one or both of the videos that should pop up on the screen in just a moment. And with that said, if you enjoyed the video and want more like it, be sure to leave a thumbs up below in appreciation. And if you haven't already, you really want to subscribe to my channel and tick the bell icon, so you get notified as I upload Make Money Online videos on a daily basis. As always, thanks for watching and see you all in another video.